lots of leaves that are gone from all this wind. Yeah, that feels good, Dad. The wind was blowing that water onto me. It felt good. So, this one's growing nice. Gotta make sure. Okay. This is one tomato plant. My sister has a little flower that no one knows what it is. Two cucumber plants there. Tomato, basil. These are all cucumbers. Only about 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Plus those 2. 6. This one's a little iffy, but this one and this one are still alive, and those are strawberries. Let me find where I can step. Roses. White rose. It's really coming back after that one branch died. And here's another rose. There's 2 more up front. Or 1 more, sorry. This one's got a tiny little bud at the top. And we're going to fill those soon. And that. And that. I like this little river bed that we have in the little wooden bridge. But this is what I'm really sad about. My potato plant was ravaged by the wind, as you can tell. Got a big bush. Petunias, which are dying. Another butterfly bush. We have a total of 7 back here. Petunias. Another butterfly bush, and I just stepped on the hose. That's a pretty pink petunia. And a pretty white one. And I've made it full circle around the yard.